In this lesson, we will be discussing the not function block. The student is expected to learn how the not function block works. The logic flow is from left to right, which will start with the input, the logic solve, and then the output. Looking at the truth table, output is a logic true if in01 is a logic false. Output is a logic false if in01 is a logic true. Now, we go live with our PLC and simulate the inputs, and we observe the output and confirm with the truth table. If we set in01 to logic false, the output is a logic true. If we set in01 to logic true, the output is a logic false. To recap, output is a logic true if in01 is a logic false.